Welcome to P3 Joy Assembly. P3 Joy have been studying about space stories and found lots of interesting facts. Here are some up-to-date current affairs about space. Satellites help combat plastic pollution. With its beautiful blue oceans, it is no wonder that Earth is known as the blue planet. Water is vital for life, so it is important that we take good care of our seas, oceans, rivers, and lakes. To help, ESA have launched spacecraft like the Sentinels in orbit around Earth. They are designed to watch Earth from space and send pictures to scientists on the ground. The information they gather is used to track water levels, plan for foods, and ensure that there is enough water for everybody to use.
NASA teamed up to send astronauts to other worlds. We currently have the technology to send astronauts into the Earth orbit. But if we want to go further, perhaps to the moon, asteroid belt, or even the planet Mars, we need a new craft. NASA is currently designing a ship to do just this, called Orion. It will be able to carry 4 astronauts further into space than ever before.
Spacewalks. Imagine walking in space and flying around the Earth at more than 20,000 kilometers. This is what hundreds of spacewalkers have experienced in the last 50 years. Spacewalks are an essential part of working in space. They are used to installing equipment and experiments and to carry out repairs. Almost 1,000 hours of spacewalks have been needed to build and maintain the International Space Station since 1990.
Artificial intelligence designed to train astronauts to help solve crimes. Artificial intelligence, or AI for short, used to be an idea just for science fiction stories. Now, machines and computer programs that can think and learn rather than just following simple instructions from humans are being used more and more. More mobile phones, home gadgets, and high-tech cars are types of AI.
Ten interesting space facts. 1. All of space is complete silence.
There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. That's at least 1 billion trillion.
The sunset on Mars appears blue.
You wouldn't be able to walk on Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, or Neptune because they have no solid surface.
Comets are left over from the creation of our solar system about 4.5 billion years ago. They consist of sand, ice, and carbon dioxide.
If you could fly a plane to Pluto, the trip would take more than 800 years.
More energy from the sun hits Earth every hour than the planet uses in a year. The largest asteroid ever recorded is a mammoth piece of space rock named Sirius.
An asteroid about the size of a car enters Earth's atmosphere roughly once a year, but it burns up before it reaches us. Phew!
Hello, my name is Anna from P3 Joy, and this is my space poem.
And I'll tell you, Andy's never seen a driver like this. Barney Oldfield.
Charlie, what should we be heading for? Those craters up there? Oh, don't tell me that.
My dad is going to the moon that's silent, gray, and rough.
It's gonna be spectacular.
He said he's coming back quite soon. He'll come back with moon rocks for us. I'll jump in rockets and fly up. I'll learn about the sun. I'll explore a new planet far away. I'd have a lot of fun. I will zoom up close to Mars, the red hot planet over there. and learn about all the stars and take a photo of Jupiter.
All my bags are packed, I'm ready to go on. I'm standing here outside the door. I hate to wake you up to say goodbye, but the dawn is breaking, it's early morning. Taxi's waiting, it's blowing his horn. Already I'm so lonesome, I could die. So kiss